Okay, so I'll start now. Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today your topic will be ultrafiltration. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is ultrafiltration? Can anyone tell me what is ultrafiltration? Yes. Okay. Ultrafiltration, it is a removal of fluid from a patient. Okay, it's a removal of fluid from a patient, and this ultrafiltration occurs when fluid passes across a semi-permeable membrane due to a driving pressure. Okay, due to the ongoing pressure. Okay, so ultrafiltration is the removal of fluid from the patient. Okay, removal of fluid from the patient, and it occurs when fluid passes through a semi-permeable membrane due to ongoing pressure. Okay, and since from yesterday I've been saying semi-permeable membrane. Does anyone know what is semi-permeable membrane? Anyone? What is semi-permeable membrane? No one? Okay. Semi-permeable membrane is a thin layer, okay, thin layer of material with pores opening, okay, that allows some small substance to pass freely, okay, and in some cases it does, and it does not even allow, it allows only small substance to pass freely and does not allow large substance to pass through. Okay, and the large substance are like your blood cells. Your blood cells, like in case during dialysis, in case if your blood clots, okay, if your blood clots, then through the dialyzer, that blood clot will not pass through the dialyzer to go through the patient. It will not, if there's clot, it will not pass through. Those are large, what do I say? Those are large particles or large substance. Okay, your blood clot are large particles or large. In semi-permeable membrane, it does not allow large substance to pass through. It only allows small particles to pass through, and your small particles are like small particle or substance are like waste products, chemicals, and excess fluid. Okay, waste product, chemicals, and excess fluid. So a semi-permeable membrane is a thin layer of material which allows small substance to pass freely and does not allow large substance to pass. Okay, and your large particles or substance is blood cells. They are large, so they cannot pass through a semi-permeable membrane, and your small substance or particles are waste products, chemicals, and excess fluid. Okay, so in the small substances, it can allow, it will be allowed to pass through a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, and your semi-permeable membrane is your inside a dialyzer. You will see in your final year semester, you'll see a dialyzer, and because you'll be having the same topics again in your final year. Actually, for this semester, you're supposed to learn only the definitions, but again, these same topics you'll be having in your final year, and there everything will be in detail, and you'll also see, because if you go for your hospital duty, you'll see all the whatever is there in the hospital. And so once you see your dialyzer, your hollow fiber dialyzer, you'll see, you'll understand what the semi-permeable membrane is. There's those thin layers, like it's like a thread, okay, that's inside the dialyzer. That is a semi-permeable membrane that you'll see in the dialyzer. They are like threads, long ones. Can you just Google your hemodialyzer, please? Hollow fiber dialyzer. Yes, did you see? Search for him hollow fiber dialyzer. Yes, did you see? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is your dialyzer. And did you see the it's white color, right? But the white color is your semi-permeable membrane. The outside layer is made of glass. Okay. And so the one inside it is your semi-permeable membrane. That helps it filter the blood. Okay. So that is a semi-permeable membrane. And again, tell me, what is ultrafiltration? What is ultrafiltration again? 1 minute, I'll show you one by one. Are you people able to see this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a patient's forearm. Okay. This is a patient's arm. And this is your arterial line. This one here, right here. You see? This is your arterial line and this is your venous line. Okay. So once you prick the patient from here, this is the outflow line, and this is your inflow. Okay. So the outflow, the blood comes from here. It goes through this, and this is your blood pump. Okay. This is your blood pump. And right here, this portion, this is where you inject your anticoagulant so that the blood does not clot during dialysis, so that the blood does not clot. Okay. So from here it goes through the dialyzer. It goes through the dialyzer. Okay. And then it comes all along. It goes back to the patient. Okay. And this is your dialysis solution. This is your dialysis solution. Okay. And this helps. This solution helps to. What does your dialysis solution helps? What is it used for? It's used to pull toxins from the blood in the dialyzer. Okay, it's used to pull toxins from the blood because this is where your blood is filtered, and this will be your dialysis solution. And this solution helps to pull toxin, pull all the excess waste and everything from the blood. Okay. Yes. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Please answer me, sir. I know what.
Ma'am,
No,
please
ma'am.
repeat.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
This is your patient's forearm. Okay. And this is your outflow. And this is your inflow. So this is where ultrafiltration takes place. Okay. This is where your ultrafiltration takes place. And this is your dialysis solution. This is your dialyzer. This one here is your dialyzer. And what is this dialysis solution used for? It's used to pull the excess waste from the blood. This will, because if this is your dialyzer, okay, you'll have. Did you check the picture of the dialyzer? You'll have here there'll be 4 open holes. There are openings. There are 4 openings. One here, one right here, and you'll have one from here and one from here. Okay. Yes? Yes or no? I'm not getting any response. I cannot even explain, like, are you people understanding or not? Yes or no? Are you people able to understand? Can you please at least answer me that?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I stop the class?
No.
You people say you want it in diagram, and this is your diagram. And I told you people, the only thing you need is your definition. But you people want it in detail. So I'm trying to teach you people in detail. And because you'll not understand, I know you'll not understand. It's difficult to understand because this is not a semester for you people to learn this. Because these are all practical. You need to see and then you'll learn. But you people want it, so I'm trying to explain. And if I'm asking you people, do you all understand or not? At least that much you can answer me, right? Do you people just want to learn it by yourself? I'll just give you the assignment. You do the assignment, you study it yourself. Is that what you want?
No, ma'am.
No,
Is that what you want?
No, ma'am.
Should I end your class?
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So at least answer me right when I'm asking, do you all understand? If it's yes, say it's yes. Because if I proceed, then again you tell me you don't understand and I have to do it from the beginning again. And I'm not the only one taking your class. We have other teachers waiting in line. Okay, this is your forearm again. And this is your blood tubings. Your blood tubings, okay? You won't even know what's blood tubings because again, you only see in your practical. These are your blood tubings. And this is the outflow. And this is your inflow. This whole thing is your blood tubing. This is where your blood comes. This is where the blood comes from. And it goes through this blood tubing, through the pump, and then it goes through the dialyzer inside here. And then after the filtering the blood, it comes out from here and goes through the patient. Got it? That portion, at least you got it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you start your dialysis, whenever you start a dialysis, depending on patients, even your heparin is needed. Heparin is needed to be injected so that the blood does not clot. The amount of heparin you'll be needing, it depends on a patient. So this is where your blood comes. It goes through this. And suppose if the blood clots, okay, that is your, suppose if the blood clots, it'll never pass through this. It'll never come out of this. It'll stay inside. If a blood clots, okay. So it'll go through this and it'll go back to, and like for the waste, like for the waste particles, like I said, waste substance. This is your solution, dialysis solution. You will be having this, okay. This dialysis solution helps to. This will also be connected here. Here, okay. Sorry, I said there'll be an opening from here. That's not from here. That's from up here. One opening will be from here. One opening will be from here. And there'll be 2 openings from here. Like this, okay, in your dialyzer. So this dialysis solution helps to, when it passes through the dialyzer, it helps to what? Pull what? It helps to pull or absorb what? Waste products from the Blood.
Waste product.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you people understand, or do I still need to repeat the same diagram again and again? Because this diagram you'll understand. This actually I thought doing this, but this you'll not understand. So I thought I'll show you this diagram. So is that portion, can you understand this portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This is where all the
ma'am.
filtration takes place. Okay. So that is it. And what is ultrafiltration again? Ultrafiltration is the removal of fluid from the patient. Okay. Ultrafiltration is the removal of fluid from a patient and is one of the functions of the kidney that dialysis treatment replaces. Okay. Ultrafiltration occurs when the fluid passes across a semi-permeable membrane due to the ongoing pressure. Okay. And what are the kinds of fluid that is removed during ultrafiltration? The kinds of fluid that is removed during ultrafiltration. What are the kinds of fluid that is removed during ultrafiltration? Can anyone tell me? What do you remove from a patient? What is removed from a patient's blood? What is removed from a patient's blood?
Ma'am,
Waste
waste
products,
products.
chemical, excess fluids.
Yeah, waste product, excess fluid. What take you so long to just answer that? Tell me again, what is ultrafiltration? What is ultrafiltration?
It is the removal of fluid from the patient, and it occurs when the fluid
Okay,
passes through a semi-permeable membrane due to the ongoing pressure.
okay. What is semi-permeable membrane? What is semi-permeable membrane?
It is a layer that allows small substances to pass freely and does not allow large substances to pass through.
Yes. Thank you, Nafishisha. At least maybe you're the only one that is in the class. So that is it for ultrafiltration. And yeah, regarding your diffusion and osmosis, I've asked Journey ma'am to take your class. Whenever she's free, she'll take. I don't know when, but whenever she's free. Like I said, you people don't need anything in detail because you don't understand anything now. Once you go for hospital duty, all of this, you'll know all of this is very simple. You'll understand. Once you go for your hospital duty. Because now, even if you see, you don't even know what it is. You don't even know what a blood tubing is. Even if you know what a blood tubing is, you won't even know how it is. Like how do they, the procedure of how it works. That's why you only need the definition, but I'm trying to explain it to you people in details. So for ultrafiltration is done. For osmosis and diffusion, I'll tell Journey madam to explain it to you people, and she'll do it whenever she's free. Now she still have many classes, so she'll do it. She'll explain it whenever she's free. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Or that also no
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
If this is the response I get every class, then I'll not be explaining anything. I'll just give you notes. And the notes you study it for yourself. So do you people understand today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Srijana
Yes, ma'am.
understand? The rest of you, what happened? Do you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you're just saying yes? So please study that. Okay, I'll send you the notes, and then please study that. I'll make the notes as soon as this class is over. I'll make your notes and I'll send it to you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
please study and
Okay,
please
ma'am.
respond in the class, because you know if you don't get a response, it's like you're talking to the wall. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.